Need help with affiliate marketing? These tips can help. With such a competitive market for selling ideas or items today, there are certain techniques that can be learned in order to maximize profit. Since one person will undoubtedly become interested in your product or ideas, why not reward them for getting more individuals interested in your business? In this video, affiliate marketing strategies will be discussed. If you are just starting out as an affiliate marketer, you should attempt to keep your campaigns small by only going with one solid product. See if you have a knack for the game or not. If you begin to make commissions on products, then you can begin to expand your presence online. But keep it small to start. To maximize the money you make from your affiliate marketing program, you need to make sure you are very open about your activities with advertising. People do not mind supporting blogs and forums that they enjoy or find useful, but they also want to feel they can trust the person running it. When joining an affiliate marketing program, remember that you need significant traffic to your site or blog to see any income from your affiliate links. Do not expect to create a blog, slap on some affiliate links, and start earning. Build up your quality content and readership first, then you will be able to make money using affiliate marketing. High traffic to your website is what affiliate marketing companies look for. The more traffic you can get to visit your page, the more apt people are to click the link and buy the products that you are featuring. To gain more traffic, you have to expose your page to as many people as possible. As stated in the beginning of this video, if any one person is interested in your product or ideas, rewards can be offered to these individuals for success in bringing other people to your products. Now that you have the knowledge to successfully use affiliate marketing strategies, put them to use and make more money. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.